folks. We on day 14 for real. Hope y'all had a good day. I don't have my infrared thermometer, so I'm gonna be working with everything off the hip. Not touching these two, flipping these two, flipping this one. Yeah. All right. So cracked everything open, and the only way for me to actually test and see how hot things are, old fashioned, back of the hand test. This one warm to touch. Very warm over here. That was working pile number 3, by the way. Pile 4, this one warm to touch right here for real. Right here. It's hotter right here though. The new pile. Yeah. This thing is warm in multiple spots. Multiple spots. Over here is, yeah, over here right here is where it's cooking. Between. Can't say this time, yeah. Without the infrared thermometer, I can just skip past checking them before cracking them open. But anyway, let's continue. Adding whatever dry left to this pile and that pile. I might add some to this one. Might not. Alright. Decided, yeah, added dry to this one. But all amendments added. All amendments added. I think I might still flip these because they got wet in the rain. So I might just flip these and rake them. But like I was saying, might just still flip them, mix them, just flip them because they got hit by the rain. Yeah. Dry piles are officially gone, but got room for more. So we'll do that next. All mixed up. I love this stage, like when it's still just grassy. It's so light. But these are more rewarding stages. Alright. We got these piled up. So I'm done with them. Now these. I'm gonna mix those two up too, why not? But raked everything up. Till next time.